Maison Vora Watches is being promoted as a premium watch brand offering elegant, minimalist timepieces at discounted prices. But the real question is whether you can actually trust a store or if it's just another risky online brand. The store presents itself with a luxury-style image, showcasing sleek watch designs, lifestyle photography, and strong discounts that make the products look high-end yet affordable. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many legitimate watch brands operate online and use similar branding to position themselves as affordable luxury. However, here's the key issue. There's very little verified information or independent customer reviews confirming Maison Vora as an established or trustworthy watch brand. There are also several red flags commonly seen with low-trust stores. No clear company history or verified brand background. Heavy discounts that create urgency, often limited-time sales. Generic product designs that resemble mass-produced watches. Lack of strong third-party reviews or recognition. These patterns are often linked to drop shipping or rebranded products rather than genuine watchmakers. User experiences for similar stores are usually mixed. Some customers do receive watches, but others report issues like lower than expected quality, long shipping times, or difficulty with refunds. It's also important to understand that many of these brands focus more on marketing than craftsmanship, meaning the actual product may not match the premium image shown online. So, can you trust Maison Vora Watches? It's likely a real store that delivers products, but it shows multiple signs of being low trust and unverified rather than a proven, reliable brand. The bottom line is that Maison Vora Watches appears to be a high-risk online store with questionable credibility. So it's best to approach with caution or consider more established watch brands if you want guaranteed quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.